Good day, ma'am. I am Chrislyn Sugabo, Best HM second year student. And in this video, I'm going to recite Jeremy's philosophy, vision, mission, and goals. Let's begin. GRMSU philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and human society. Vision. A dynamic and diverse internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines 2020-2024. Mission. Costa Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technopreneurial training with the aim of producing highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individuals. Goals. Globally competitive educational institution, resilient to internal and external risk and hazards, innovative processes and solutions in research translated to extension engagements. Partnerships and collaborations with private enterprise, other HEIS government agencies, and alumni. Sound fiscal management and participatory governance. That would be all. Thank you.